Hello, Jamaica! I am Romona Mclean Foster. My brand name is Lamona Designs, and I am your #1 favorite designer. Yeah!
Vote for Romona, Lamona Design. She is talented, creative. Lamona Design.
Talented she is. Vote for Romona. She's creative, innovative. She does the best. She's an
I studied pattern making at Garmex Art Academy, and I did fashion design at Edna Manley College. Yes, it's been amazing, it's been wonderful, and I've had the privilege to work with some amazing designers. Vote for me because I represent those who have been told that you cannot do it, those who want to get ahead in life, those who are determined. I represent you. Jamaica, you should vote for me. Ramona, Lamona Designs. The best, your favorite number.
We like dresses.
We like jumpsuits.
We like outfits from Lamona. We like it like that.
Lamona Design is your winner!